Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the file too large for destination file system error when copying a large file to a USB flash drive or external storage. If your USB has plenty of free space, but Windows still refuses to copy the file, the problem is usually the drive's file system. So let's get started. For example, you might have a file that is 4 gigabytes or larger, while your USB drive has plenty of available storage. But when you try to copy the file, Windows displays an error saying the file is too large for the destination file system. This usually happens when the USB drive is formatted as FAT32. FAT32 has a maximum individual file size of about 4 gigabytes, so even if your USB has 20, 50, or 100 gigabytes of free space, a single file larger than the limit cannot be copied to it. First, let's check the file system. Open File Explorer, find your USB drive, and right-click it. Select Properties. Here, look for File System. If it says FAT32, that's likely the reason you're getting the error. One solution is to format the drive as NTFS. However, formatting will normally erase the currently stored files on the USB, so make sure you back up any important data first. Once your files are safely backed up, right-click the USB drive and select Format. Under File System, choose NTFS. You can leave the other settings at their defaults, then click Start. Windows will warn you that formatting will erase all data on the drive. Confirm only if you have already backed up everything you need. Wait for the formatting process to finish. Once it's complete, right-click the USB drive again and select Properties. You should now see NTFS listed as the file system. Now try copying your large file to the USB drive again. Since NTFS supports files much larger than the FAT32 limit, the file should transfer normally as long as there is enough free storage space. Another option is exFAT, especially if you need to use the drive with different operating systems and devices. Like NTFS, exFAT supports files larger than 4 gigabytes. And that's it. That's how you can fix the file too large for destination file system error when transferring large files to a USB drive. Just remember to back up your files before formatting. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tutorials and helpful PC tips. See you in the next video.